Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about the market itself and make my daily commentary about it. First off, I want to talk about the S&P. Well, with the US markets, yesterday the S&P made a huge sell-off. Well, we don't know the exact reason for it, but I made a video about it yesterday and I said gold is going down really fast because I mean not that fast but very really strong because it's vaporized like 2.1 trillion in only like 15 or 30 minutes, and that triggered margin calls. And my opinion about it, I think the uh, keep that margin calls to make ad to make an ad for the margins. They had to sell stocks, cryptocurrencies, or other stuff like that, and that's the exact reason for the sell-off in the market for the yesterday. And well, it's my opinion, but it seems so how can I say rational. Everything is good in the U.S. markets at the moment. We are expecting an all-time high again. Just a matter of time. It's matter of time. So it's good. Also, if I have to talk about the Dow Jones, it's the same. Dow Jones is more industrial stock exchange, and with the industrial stock exchange, it moves a little bit more slower. Well, if I have to talk about the Nasdaq, well, we are expecting an AI rally with the Nasdaq because Nasdaq includes the tech companies, but it doesn't moving right now. It doesn't going up because I think America will be hit Iran like in a week, in a 2 weeks or something like that. Make an intervention about it, and the world is in tension about it. So that's the reason the stocks are not going up at the moment. But it's a good point for the get buy the stocks. It seems it's a good opportunity to buy. So we are in a good position with the US stocks at the moment, especially with the AI ones. Well, if we are going to talk about the gold, yes. Well, it seems the gold bubble has just burst. Well, I mean, it just gone down like 3 days ago, but this is a huge sell-off. In one day, only in one day, it sell off like 6%, and in yesterday, uh, totally 7%. I mean, if we are going to calculate all of it, it's like 10% sell-off in just only in one day, in 24 hours. I mean, well, that means 3.5 trillion just erased from the market. And yesterday 2.1 trillion just vaporized in the gold in like 15 minutes. I think it's a central bank. I made a video about it yesterday, and so my opinion for the trend is the upside trend in the commodities, especially with the gold, is just um ended. This is the end signal for the commodities. Uh, I'm, we will have to see what's going to be up next. But if you want to short you can. By the way, I made a short about it yesterday. I made a short and it was made a huge profit. Well, with this silver, well, especially the silver is bubble has burst. In only one day, it gone down like 15%, 15% in the like silver, like $1 trillion. That means $1 trillion. It's a big money. So I think the also the silver bubble has burst and it can make a double tap, but I don't think it can be make a double tap, double top side pattern because this is a trillions dollars of asset. So I don't think it can be happen. But I'm not in a good position for the silver. Well, maybe we might be just late for the short. It can be still surge in this price level between the 110 and $95. But in the later on, we will make an analysis for it later. It can be go down. I believe it can be. I think it will be go down. So with the platinum, well, platinum is not good with the technicals. So also, well, it just stopped for the going down because it really much sold in the very short of time. So we don't like platinum. I won't suggest platinum. It can be go stable in this position. Do not buy. Do not buy. It's just making indicators cool off. So I won't suggest it. With the Bitcoin, Bitcoin had a really bit. sell-off yesterday. And if we are going to look at the weekly chart, well, it seems it's going to be end the week within the below the Ichimoku cloud. That's really bad, and that means a bear signal. That means bear signal. So we will have to see what's going to be happening the Monday or Tuesday, and we will. It can be get. If the price won't get to the 90,000 levels, that's a sell-off for the short term, and it can be go through like the $75,000. Also, I'm going to say the same thing with Ethereum and XRP because all bloodbath. I'm sorry, but Bitcoin is a locomotive, and whenever locomotive goes in the same way, all the other assets will be follow it, like cryptos, XRP, Ethereum, and also the Monero. So if we are going to talk about the Monero, well, I'm sorry about it, but it didn't break the Ichimoku cloud, but it seems really bad at the moment. It's outside the Nadara Watson level, as you can see over here. Well, it can be get a little bit maybe tip off for the 500 because 500 is a huge resistance level. If you can pass through it, you can buy Monero, but right now I wouldn't suggest to buy Monero at the moment because Bitcoin is going down, entering the bear season. It seems like so right now. And if the Bitcoin enters bear market, Monero will be just hit to the down. Sorry, but it seems so. So thank you for watching my video. See you all.